Hello everyone and welcome to the best crypto channel ever. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. Cardano becomes one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. And almost anyone that has heard about the crypto market has asked himself, what if I invest something in some of those popular cryptos? What if you invest $1,000 in Cardano, ADA? First, let's make things clear. None knows the full potential of the crypto market or where it is going to be from a certain amount of time from now. But now we just want to give you a hint where might Cardano be in future and is it valuable to invest in this cryptocurrency. Before understanding where you should invest, you should inform yourself what are certain cryptos. Today we are talking about Cardano, and that is why we should first explain what is this crypto and what it aims to do. One of the most important things lately, concerning the statement of Elon Musk, is that Cardano is environment-friendly cryptocurrency. As we saw, some of those assets that are environmentally friendly are going up in comparison to the others. In terms of the environment impact, Cardano far out for several times the well-known Bitcoin and Ethereum. From most of the environmentalists, Cardano is called the green coin, mostly because its proof-of-stake system in comparison to the others' proof-of-work systems. This method is consuming considerably less energy than the other systems. Most of them are not considered as green coins, and that is why most of the analysts are on the opinion that they don't have enough of stable and bright future. When you are looking into investing in the crypto market, environment impact is something that you should take into consideration. Cardano is the one that is highly efficient in comparison to the others. And if you are looking on long terms, this is must in your decision process. Despite the green moment of all the cryptos, you should look at the mission to the certain asset. The mission is one of the most important things, because almost every cryptocurrency has a different mission. One of the missions to Cardano is to bring the crypto finance and all the tools to the people in not-so-developed countries. Some of the people in Africa, for example, has the potential but not the tools to trade and work with cryptos. That is why Cardano is here to develop that market. If you want to learn more about their mission, they have a great explanation video on their website. This video will give you a good information about their mission, and you will be able to conclude whether they have any future at all. As we said at the beginning, let's look up about your investment. Let's imagine that you have a $1,000 and you are interested to invest in some cryptos. Let's imagine that you are going to invest those money into Cardano. At this moment, Cardano has the price point of 1.96 cents, and what is more important is that it is up more than 100% in the past 3 months. You must agree that this is a huge rise. In numbers, this means that if you put those $1,000 in the beginning of February, now you would have $2,000. Let's just for a moment imagine that you have put those $1,000 on January 1st, 2021. Back then the Cardano was only 17 cents. But let's not grieve for the missed opportunities, and let's talk about what is going to happen. Or what is our opinion on that, if you buy Cardano at the current price of $1.96. First, let's clear up that the crypto markets are too much volatile. This means that you will have to do your own research before putting your money in any cryptocurrency. That is why we always says that this should not be your financial advice, but just one step forward in your process of being more informed and more educated for the crypto market. So, let's say that you are going to buy Cardano for $1,000 today. What might happen? Firstly, you should know that for those money you are getting 510 ADA or Cardano. ADA is the name of the token. And let's take the price point as predicted from most of the analysts. Most of them are saying that Cardano is going to reach the price point of $5. What happens next? This means that those $1,000 of yours at the end of this year are going to be around $2,550. This is a return of more than 150%. Let's say that you have invested those money into the stock market. According to the statistics, this return is going to happen after 8 years. Pretty big dereference, right? But please remember that there are no guarantees that the price is going to be on that level. And on the way up there are going to be lots of moments where the price is going to reach a level below the level you bought the asset. And it might go not just lower than your buying point but drastically low. And remember that on that way of getting your 150% return you will have to survive the bumpy road of the crypto market. This means that most of the cryptos are going to drop lower than bought but also might rise a lot higher than your buying price. And that is why you should get informed yourself. Because if you believe in the project of Cardano, you are not going to sell your cryptos so easy on the first drop. Most of the experienced traders are using the process known as staking. Staking means that the ones that are owning Cardano can put their Cardano in so-called staking pool and get paid in Cardano at an annual return of 5 to 6% just because they are holding their Cardano in the take pool. These pools usually have very small fees and usually it is returned to the holder when stopped staking. As we said, you have your 510 Cardano. And let's imagine that you are staking those 510. If you stake whole year, and if Cardano made up to $5, you will get your 5% out of the stake pool. This means that you are going to get about 23 Cardano in a year. Additionally, when the price is going up you are getting return of your investment. In numbers this means that if you are able to stake pool for a year you will have around $2,665. That is extra of $160 just from putting your Cardano into staking. And staking might sound a little bit complicated for ones that have never heard about it, but believe me, it is literally just a click of a button. And why staking is so great, you might ask? Because what staking means basically is that this is like paying dividend every 5 days but in a form of ADA or Cardano, which is a very important and appreciated asset for now. Using the staking formula, you are going to get an extra money on top of your growing cryptocurrency. This is method that is implemented so long, and it is something that you could use as well to grow your investment faster and on a secure way. These numbers might not sound to you a lot, but Cardano has a market cap for only $62 billion for right now. In comparison, Ethereum has around $373 billion and Bitcoin around $800 billion. And for you to easier understand, if we want for Cardano to make up to $5 price point, its market cap must be around $155 billion. This is less than half of the second biggest crypto now. If you are seeing this from this point of view, you can notice that this is easy achievable for the Cardano in the next few years. And if you compare the growth of this crypto from the beginning of this year, you will see that the price point of $5 is even pessimistic prediction for Cardano. And most optimistic prognosis is that Cardano can hit $10 till the end of this year. This will mean that your investment will go up to $5,330 with staking. You must admit that if this happened, and you get 4 times what have you invested, is a quite big return of your initial investment. This crypto has the potential to grow a lot, and if you consider its mission and its low energy consumption, you will see that your $1,000 are the most secure here. This is not an expertise of the Cardano, or even a great detailed analysis, but we believe it is an practical analysis of what might happen if you invest your $1,000 into the Cardano. The point is not just to invest all your savings, but where might those money be a year from now? As we told you earlier, none can give you the exact prediction, but considering the facts and analysis you might take your own conclusion out of this. In the crypto business there are lots of ups and downs, but we are very bullish on Cardano particularly. This strategy can skyrocket your portfolio and could mean a new way to invest in some of the currencies out there. We chose Cardano today because we believe that this crypto has its own long-term strategy that could be very valuable, and if the asset itself has a good strategy, and you are an investor in it, you have a good strategy as well. That is why you should always choose a cryptocurrency that thinks ahead of time and has a strategy that can hold on for a couple of years at least. Most of the enthusiasts are very well informed before investing. Cardano has their own information page that you could learn a lot from. We are not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what we say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks. You could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and we are in no way liable for any losses incurred. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.